Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you my new TV, which is the Samsung Series 6 6400, which is a 3D LED smart TV, 40 inches. So as you can see, it is a full HD 3D TV. It's got a dual core processor and micro dimming. So that's basically what the box looks like, and it's got voice control and obviously the smart hub. So I have set up the TV already over here. This is going to be a bedroom TV. So this is basically what my setup looks like at the moment. I have had to put it on top of my cable box since I don't have a lot of spare room at the moment. It's probably better that you put the legs on a flat surface, otherwise it isn't 100% stable. I'm going to need to look at moving the box somewhere else. So that is basically what it looks like. Now let's take a look at the back of the TV. Now this is going to be a bit hard since it might be a bit dark. So basically down at the bottom here we have a bit of an LED. When it's turned off, this turns red. We have a bit of a power button here. You can press it in and out, obviously, to turn the TV on and off. Though it's also a directional pad. You can move it up, down, left and right, and the power button also doubles as an enter button. That is pretty simple, though at the same time I found it to be pretty neat. Now if we take a look up here, and I apologise if the camera doesn't autofocus, it's a bit hard to see back here because of the lighting. We have 3 USB ports here basically, and we also have 3 HDMI ports there, which I'm currently using. We have the antenna there. Now if we move over here, we have another HDMI port. So we basically have 3 USB ports and 4 HDMI ports. Now we have the IR out port, which is the infrared sensor, which I will show you in a minute. We have audio out. We have a LAN Ethernet port. Obviously the TV also has Wi-Fi built in, which I'm using, so you don't have to use that. And we also have component AV in, and we have digital audio out, and the power cable plugs in over here at the other side of the TV. So yeah, that's basically all of the connections on the TV. There aren't many buttons on the TV, well, apart from the power button really. I don't think there were any volume or program buttons on the TV. I haven't had a good look at it yet. And now let's take a look at some of the included accessories. You basically get 2 remote controls. Samsung included their traditional remote control. This is the style of remote control they include with all of their products now, whether you're getting a Samsung TV or Blu-ray player. All of their new remotes look like this. And they have also included a bit of a smart remote. They probably included both because some people might prefer the old design. So this is basically touch sensitive, so you can actually scroll across here and push it down. It also doubles as a button. You've also got a voice button here, so you can, click it down and say volume up, and it will obviously respond to your commands. The microphone's at the top here. You can turn the TV on and off, and also your set-top box. I haven't tried that to see if it works. We have a button here which goes directly to Smart Hub. The built-in TV guide, which I'm not using since I have cable TV, though I want to check that out and see how it works a bit later on. And this TV model also comes with 2 pairs of 3D glasses. This is an active TV, a 3D active TV rather than a 3D passive TV. So these glasses basically require batteries to operate, which go in right here. And both of the glasses come with the batteries, and obviously once they run out you can replace them yourself. And both of the remotes come with 2 AAA batteries as well, which is pretty good, so you don't need to go out and buy any batteries initially. And this is the IR extender cable, which I was talking about before. If you plug this into your TV, then it will basically be able to detect the remote from further distances. I personally think that I won't need this. I'm sure it will work fine, the remote, from where I am in the bedroom. So this is for, if you have a big lounge room and perhaps, the IR receiver in the TV isn't the strongest at long distances. I haven't personally tested this myself. Okay, let's take a very quick look at the software on the TV. I haven't had a chance to play around with it yet, to be honest. I'm just going to use the standard remote since it's a bit easier to navigate. So the first tab we have is the social tab, and it's got a what's hot section, which appears to have YouTube videos. We have an app section. Since I'm in Australia, it currently has Australian apps, and obviously if you're in the US it would probably have apps like Netflix, etc. So I've got some recommended apps at the top here, as well as some pre-installed apps. A lot of these apps are Australian, like the Sydney Morning Herald and Big Pond, etc. The actual apps will vary by region, though I'm pretty sure that you can configure the country on this TV to any country you want. So you will basically be able to get all of the apps available in, you know, all of the countries. So that is the app screen. I can quickly open the web browser. I haven't had a chance to look at the apps yet, so I can't really give you an in-depth, you know, an in-depth view of them yet. So this is basically the Samsung TV web browser. You can move the remote, you can move the cursor on the screen just using the arrow keys on the remote. And obviously on this other remote too, you can probably, you know, drag your finger across, which moves the cursor a lot, you know, more quickly, which is pretty good. But I'm just going to go back to the Smart Hub for now. So that is basically the app screen. We have movies and TV shows. I presume that this connects to the Samsung service, which they also have available on Samsung mobile phones and tablets. I personally haven't used it before. I prefer Google Play. And we have a photos, videos and music tab. So I presume that you can, you know, obviously plug in a USB or portable hard drive, and it can probably connect to your computer, etc. as well. And if you have a Samsung mobile phone, I believe that you can also control the TV and display content from your mobile onto the TV, etc. So we've got some sample content here by the looks of it, such as the Welcome to Smart TV video. This is pretty quick, so I will quickly play that so you can get an idea of the picture quality of the TV. Okay, so that was just a short video really. So yeah, I'm not sure what else I can show you really, as I haven't connected this up to Aerial TV. I unfortunately can't show you what the TV guide and all of that look like. What happens if I open up the TV guide? Yeah, it says not available because I don't have an antenna plugged in at the moment, though I might be able to make a video showing how that works in the future. So this is my current setup. I just have the TV on top of my cable box and a few, you know, different gaming systems over there. I currently have my, you know, cable box running through my Xbox One. You know, so in order to watch cable, I just need to open up the TV app on the Xbox One. Though this is for a different video really. I haven't decided whether or not I'll continue running cable through the Xbox One or through the TV directly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video really. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Yeah, hopefully I've covered everything in this video and haven't missed anything. So yeah, ask me if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.